friends, I'll be talking about a very important subject, which is the key of the hour as of today, in terms of employees' engagement in turbulent time. I think I might be chosen for this because people might have understood that I'm in power sector, and the worst affected this sector is the power sector. So let's talk to Deepak to talk about the subject so that he can talk, because if I look at last 5 years, the first 3 years was the sunrise industries. Power was always considered sunrise industry, 5 to 10 times the growth. And last 2 years is the worst hit, and today nobody wants to talk about the power. So that's a kind of scenario, and which is sustenance itself becomes a major challenge for all of us. So if I talk about, I'm in this infra business for the last 10 years, and honestly speaking, I didn't see even a single day, single week, or single month, or single year which is not turbulent. If anybody disagrees with me, please raise his hand. I would love to hear him. I think last 10 years, the kind of changes which are happening in and outside is causing a lot of turbulence. And to me, turbulence doesn't talk about only the tough time. Turbulence always talks about both sides. Let me talk about, in my next slide, if I look at growth, which we witnessed, fast growth, there is cutthroat competition, there is a war to increase the market share, everybody wants to be the number one, everybody wants to go for the global presence, and there's a testing time, always. Isn't it? Yeah? The organizations are 5 times growing, 7 times growing, 10 times growth, and everybody is working against the pace. No work-life balance. Every day is a turbulent time, every day is a challenging time in the growth path. And if I talk about the downside, if I go back to the history, 1990, the policy changes which has happened, completely changed the economic scenario of the country. Then the 2000 dot-com burst which happened. Again everything was tipsy-turvy. 2005, terrorism and security issues. So many issues come across. 2010, the Great Recession, which has never come to an end. Even as of today is the worst affected. And again there is a testing time. Now my question is, should the context of time be the focus for managing the people? Or how we proactively or productively engage employees, that should be the topic of the discussion. I think the most important is we have to proactively and productively engage employees, whether it's a growth phase or whether it's a downside. Today the business is like in a camel ride. How many people had in a camel ride? What is the experience when you get onto the camel? Yeah? Scary, terrible, disgraceful. There is always an apprehension of falling. What is the experience when you get off the camel after the ride? Huh? Disgraceful again. Similar kind of pain, isn't it? So today the business is like that camel ride, you know. Sometimes it is growing, sometimes it is coming down. There is a lot of peaks and troughs which is happening. In my last 3 years, I have seen so many peaks and troughs. And the worst part is, ऊंट किस करवट लेगा आगे से 3 महीने के बाद में या 6 महीने के बाद में, मुझे नहीं मालूम. I don't know. Which side the camel will turn around, I am not too sure. We used to talk about, I was part of iShare, and we used to talk about 3 years plan, 5 years plan, 7 years plan. And we used to produce around 30 tractors a day. And the moment we produce between 28 to 32, we say, okay, fine, very comfortable time. And we do it for almost 8-9 years. The same rut, same machine, same consistent demand, same consistent supply, no issues. I've been to Whirlpool. We ramp up the production from 1500 to 6000 refrigerators. Everything was very cool for 5 years plan, 6 years plan, 7 years plan. Today, if I talk about, people are talking about, yaar, is quarter to nikal gaya, agle quarter ki baat karte hain. The time has changed. Now, nobody talks about years now. Honestly speaking, I have not come across anybody talking about more than 6 months plan today, in today's context. Everybody talks about quarter to quarter, Q to Q.